Fields are harvested with precision and speed. Raw harvest flows into the supply chain. The journey from farm to factory begins.
Harvest meets industrial scale processing.
Bulk materials are directed into controlled systems. The raw ingredient moves toward transformation. Inside, the flow is carefully controlled. Streams divide to balance the system. Temporary storage prepares for steady processing. Flow is regulated before refinement begins. Human oversight ensures consistency. The first stage of refinement begins here.
Every load enters through controlled access.
Logistics keep the system in motion. Inside, the process never stops. Everything flows through a connected system. Impurities are stripped away at the first stage. Size-based sorting refines the material. Airflow removes the lightest impurities. Hidden contaminants are extracted with precision.
Washing ensures a deeper level of purity.
Moisture is controlled before the next stage.
Preparation leads directly into transformation.
The transformation into flour begins. Only the finest particles move forward. Air-driven systems carry it to the next stage. Mechanical force builds the structure of noodles. The base form begins to take shape. Thickness is controlled to exact standards.
Shape is defined with sharp precision.
Texture is engineered into every strand. Heat begins the cooking process. Controlled heat locks in structure.
Uniform portions define the final product.
The final transformation is moments away. Automation controls the most critical transformation. Heat and timing define texture and shelf life.
Excess oil is removed for consistency.
Automation ensures perfect positioning. The product moves toward final presentation. Presentation begins with precision wrapping. Each unit is sealed for protection and shelf life.
Flavor components are added with exact timing. Products are organized for efficient handling. The final packing stage is set.
Samples are pulled to verify every batch.
Controlled environments ensure accurate testing.
Precision weight control maintains consistency. Only verified products move to final dispatch. Final packing brings the process together.
Each box is secured for transport.
Automation organizes bulk distribution.
Loads are secured for safe movement. The product prepares to leave the facility.
And this is how modern factories produce instant noodles from start to finish.